It's Miss Alana here, working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day, just like you. Today is Monday, September 25th, and you should have received this sheet from me today, along with this other one that you need to glue. This is episode number 2 of this week's, I changed the title for this week. It's not Ultimate Extreme Expressions. It is called Next Level Extreme Expressions for the week because we are moving to the next level. Some new standards that we are working on. Still easy stuff. So easy. Raise your hand if you're like, Miss Alana, this is so easy. So easy. All right, so this is episode number 2. Go ahead and look at the problem right there. It is 267 times 8 divided by 2. All right, so in my notebook and in your notebook, you should have glued that piece of paper right there. And I told you if you do that, you don't even have to write the date and the directions. So if you did not glue that there, make sure you do have the date and the directions there. All right, so for number 2, which operation should we do first? And don't forget, we have that chart in the back right behind me right here, just in case you forget what step we should do. All right. So we are going to multiply 267 times 8. Now, I think a lot of you are using the calculator and just writing the answer down. That's not helping you learn. That's not helping you get smarter, not getting smarter and smarter every day. No, because you're just cheating. And remember, when you cheat, who are you cheating? Yourself. So you need to make sure that you work it out. If you need help, I'm here to help you. This is why I'm doing these videos. So you can get some help on that or ask a parent, family member, or a friend for help. All right, here I go, side to side here. All right, so I have 267 times 8. We're going to do 8 times 7 is 56. Write the 6 plus 5. And then 8 times 6 is what? 48 plus the 5, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So I wrote the 3 there, plus 5 up here. And then we have 8 times 2 is 16 plus 5, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we have 2,136. All right. Now what? Divided by 2. Where is it? Divided by 2. So 2,136 divided by 2. Now, some of you are not even showing your standard algorithm for division. Unless you can prove to me that you are doing it mentally, you need to show your work. All right. Look at me. Even I'm showing my work, all right? Sometimes when you work with your mind, it gets all jumbled up. So unless you are an expert at that, and then you're going to have to prove it to me, make sure you show your work, okay? All right, so I have 2,136 divided by 2. 2 goes into 2 one time. 1 times 2 is 2. We subtract that. That's a 0. Bring down that 1. So now I have a 10. 2 goes into 10. No, hold on. That's not a 10. Who recorded some videos the other day? And did you notice how it like flipped the screen? So sometimes when you do it like this, you have to like read it backwards. Well, all the time. All right, so no, that's not a 10. It looks like a 10 because it's backwards, but that's a 1. 2 goes into 1 0 times. So I put the 0 right there. 0 times 2 is 0. All right, so then I subtract that, and then I bring down the 3. So that's a 13. 2 goes into 13 6 times. There's the 6 right there on top of the 3. Because see, look, I brought down the 3 for the 13, so the 6 goes right there. 6 times 2 is 12. I put the 12, then I subtract. There's a 1. Then I bring down that 6, which is 16, and 2 goes into 16 8 times right there, and then I subtract that, and that gives me a 0. Now, I am going to check my work by doing the opposite operation. What is the opposite of division? Multiplication. So if you notice right here, no, I can't show you my answer for number 3. I did 1,068 times 2. And when I worked that out, I got 2,136. Bam, right there. And that's how I know that I got that correctly. I'm correct. So 1,068, and I highlighted my answer. Since there's like so much going on, it helps your eyes focus on what it needs to focus. Bam. All right, remember, do your work nice and neat. Because sometimes when I look at it, I'm like, oh, makes my brain hurt, makes my eye hurt. So I know if it's making my brain and my eye hurt, eyes, not just one eye, not just that one eye, both eyes hurt. I'm sure it's got to be making your brain hurt too. So work on getting nicer and neater every day. Remember, every day, keep working on getting better and better at whatever you need to get better and better at. on to episode number 3 on our next level ultimate, no, next level extreme expressions. All right, see you. Mwah.